Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. In case you're a new subscriber, my name is Magdalene. On this channel, I post on travel, lifestyle, and natural hair. So today, I'm doing a natural hair vlog. First thing I do, I just discovered that my hair is in frosty hair, and I discovered I can get a better detangler for my hair. So I got this detangler, mega great detangler, and that's been very useful to me. So it easily instantly stretches my natural hair. So in case your hair shrinks back so fast after you sprinkled it with water, use this detangler and you will not regret it. Then so I go in my comb to comb it out. So guys, after combing it out, I'm trying to make a low slick bun for my short fussy natural hair. So when your hair is short, you can't just pack it at once because my hair is short, so I have to part it from the back because I want it to be a low bun that goes behind. So I have to part it first. That's the first thing I'm doing. So it doesn't necessarily have to be straight actually, just to part it into sections, the back section then the front section. So I had to use a rubber band to pack the front section out, so I'll be able to pack the back part first. That's the first thing I do. Then you comb it in to stretch it. Then you can add detangler if you want, but I didn't add any more. Then you pack it first. So guys, I always mess around whenever I'm recording my vlogs. But anyway, so the next step is to use an eco gel. This eco gel is very strong. So I use this eco gel. I'll put enough generous amount at the back to first hold that in and separate it from other section. So you put it around to make sure you have enough. You can use as much as you want, you hold it in together. Then you open up the next section. Next thing I'll do is to part the front section into two sections, okay? Because I know my hair is shorter, so I have to part it into two separate sections first. So guys, like I said earlier, you can put as much detangler as you can because you need the hair to be a little bit stretched before you start using your eco gel, because if you use eco gel or natural hair, it doesn't really slip. So you use detangler enough, then you comb it out. That's the first step. So I did it for the other section again. So to slick it out, I use my hand to smoothen it out, then use rubber band to tie the extra together behind, so the low bun is done properly at the back. You may not be able to capture everything, so that's why you're using eco gel to make the other parts that are too short to slip. The next step is to use a silk scarf to tie your hair. So you tie the gel so it will be very slick and to sleep, then you go and spend hours for it to dry. So guys, after a few hours of doing all that stuff and doing my makeup and everything, so I came back and I had to remove it, and you can see it on out. It's beautiful. Like, you didn't spend much, you just did at the comfort of your house, and you can wear this for like 2-3 days and you'll be fine. So you don't really need to go to salon to take care of natural hair. So don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.